Sending money across the globe has never been easier than with your Moneygram account online. First, navigate to the Moneygram website. You'll see a login prompt. Enter your registered email address or username, and your password if you've forgotten your password. There's a helpful link to reset it securely. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Look for the Send Money or Transfer Money option and click on it to begin. This will take you to the transfer initiation page. Now it's time to enter your recipient's information. You'll need their full name as it appears on their identification, depending on the destination country and payout method. You might also need their address or phone number. Ensure this information is accurate to avoid delays. Next, you'll choose how your recipient will receive the money. Common options include direct deposit into a bank account or cash pickup at a Moneygram location. Select the method that's most convenient for them. Now, select your preferred payment method. You can typically use a credit card, debit card, or a direct bank transfer from your account. Enter your payment details carefully, and then review all the information for accuracy. Before you confirm, you'll see a summary of your transaction. This includes the amount you're sending, any fees, and the estimated delivery time. Double-check everything one last time. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm. To complete your money transfer, you'll receive a confirmation message with a tracking number. You can use this to monitor the status of your transfer right up until it's received. And that's it. You've successfully sent money online using your Moneygram account, offering a convenient and secure way to stay connected with loved ones, no matter the distance.